Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, the cable. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, let's discuss about the chart of DXY. If you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD or gold, then you were ready for this correction on the chart of DXY. Yesterday in my Euro USD video, when DXY was taking support around 104.60, we were skeptical. We also discussed about the possibility of market going down further and hitting the next support around the 50 moving average, and we got our perfect bounce. And right now we can see that DXY is more or less trying to continue the uptrend again, but right now DXY is forming a red candle. So the volatility of the market, is not very positive right now. And in this ongoing situation, there's a high chance that though the market is in uptrend, the market will face some resistance around the previous resistance also. So the resistance level of 105.50 is still valid. There is no doubt. Okay, but yes, market will also face some resistance around the previous high as well, the previous high of 105.30, 105.35 level. If market reverses from this previous high, then there may be a double top kind of a formation, and we may see further downside, or maybe a change in the structure of the market. The main reason behind not making videos on the chart of GBPUSD for our last 1 week was that the chart was not convincing enough for me. Okay, maybe you are in love with GBPUSD, or you may love GBPUSD, but to be honest, okay, I was not very sure on the chart of GBPUSD. As a result, I was personally also avoiding any trades on the chart of GBPUSD. Okay, but today I thought that it's been more than 5 to 6 days, so I should make a video on GBPUSD. So here I am. But you should also focus on the economic calendar. This is the forexfactory.com, and you can see today we have news on GBP as well as US dollar. So there may be some volatility on the chart of GBP USD. So please be careful during the news or the event. Okay. Now, if you look at the chart of GBP USD, then if we just focus on the present chart of GBP USD, then we can see a choppy market. Okay, this is a choppy market, and you can also see that market is also not respecting the previous highs and lows as support resistance. Usually when we see a range bound market or choppy market, okay, sometimes it is easier for us to trade, because when market bounces from the support zone, we can go for a buy. When market reverses from the resistance, we can go for a sell. But in this type of market, when the market is choppy and also not respecting previous highs and lows, it becomes very difficult for us to execute the trades. So personally, I feel that on the chart of GBP USD, 1.1840, 1.1850 seems to be the only reliable level where we can consider or think of a buy position. Because if we look at the overall trend of GBP USD, we can see that market was an uptrend, and right now market seems to be choppy, or market to be sideways. Okay, market to be sideways. See, this is the structure. Okay, these are internal structure, but if you look at the overall structure, then market is sideways or market is choppy. Okay, so there's a high chance that 1.1840, 1.1850 will act as support, and if market bounces, we can go for a buy position. Okay, but the problem is that 1.1840, 1.1850 is quite far away from the right now. And if we consider the internal structure of the market right now, we can see market forming lower highs also. Okay, and it looks like a descending triangle pattern. I'm entering into complications. Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, why I was avoiding GBP USD, or personally why I'm still avoiding GBP USD. Okay, so try to understand. So overall market is up. Okay, and as we all know, okay, market after a strong momentum, market goes for consolidation. So this is the overall trend of GBP USD. But right now we can see here, okay, market is showing a descending triangle pattern. So in descending triangle, we usually see market going down, but keep in mind we have a contradiction on the chart right now, contradiction of the overall trend and the present trend. So as a result, if sale also comes on the chart of GBPUSD, it may not be a big drop because the overall trend of the market is bullish. Maybe the present trend is bearish. So as a result, if market breaks this level here, okay, if market breaks 1.1920, we can look for a sell position and our target will be 1.1850. And if market bounces, takes support around 1.1850 level, we can consider taking a buy position. So sell below this level because it will be a breakdown of the descending triangle pattern. And on the other hand, if market takes support around the strong support zone of 1.184050, we can consider a buy as well. Clear? So on the other hand, okay, on the other hand, we can also see the trend line at the top is also acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. Okay, again I'm entering into complications, don't mind. Okay, but before that, okay, before that, if we switch to 1 hour time frame, we can see there's also a possibility of market forming a head and shoulder pattern as well. Personally, I do not prefer or like head and shoulder pattern much, but I cannot deny that head and shoulder pattern is very common and it really works also, isn't it? So during the day, if market goes up, then around this particular level here, 1.2067 level, okay, or 1.2070 level, if you see market reversing, then it will be a head and shoulder formation and we may see market going down. In that case, you can look for a sell position. So today 1.2070 or 1.2065 will play a big role in the market. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position because it will be a head and shoulder pattern formation, not a breakout but a formation, okay, will be confirmed. And in case market breaks this level or market shatters our dream of the head and shoulder pattern, okay, then market will be heading towards the blue line, which is the dynamic resistance of the market, okay, and you can expect the market to reverse for 1.2125, 1.2130. I cannot give you the exact number because this is a dynamic resistance. What you can do is you can just join these dots, okay, you can just join these dots, not dots, these highs made by the market, and if market reaches this level, you can look for a sale. So if market goes up, observe the market around the blue line. If you see market showing price rejection from above, if you see market showing shooting star kind of a pattern, it will be a confirmation that yes, the trend line is really working as a dynamic resistance and you can look for a sell position. So this is my lesson, my dear friends. This is what I have observed on the chart of GBPUSD. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. This is mine. I can be wrong as well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Market is choppy and GBP is a very volatile currency. So please be careful. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye-bye. Take care.